In this question, you have to match the items given in column 1 with those in column 2. Now, tidal volume is the volume of air which is inspired or expired during normal respiration, and it is approximately 500 milliliter. Thus, A matches with 3. Now, inspiratory reserve volume is the additional volume of air a person can inspire by a forceful inspiration, and it is around 2500 to 3000 milliliter. Thus, B matches with 1. Now, expiratory reserve volume is the additional volume of air a person can expire by forceful expiration, and this ranges from 1000 to 1100 milliliter. Thus, C matches with 4. And residual volume is the volume of air remaining in lungs even after forceful expiration, and this is approximately 1100 to 1200 milliliter. Thus, D matches with 2. Hence, the correct answer is option B.